Hello students, this is just a quick review of something we discuss in class, and that is the question, what is academic writing? So let's play a quick game, and I'm going to see if you already know the answer, but let's look at some pictures and see if it is academic writing. Okay, is this academic writing? No, of course not. It is a text message or SMS. It is a type of writing, but it's not academic. Notice the type of language that you see here, cool, or what's up, or hey man. These kind of phrases and words we don't typically use for academic writing. How about this? Is this academic writing? I know some students say yes, but no, this is not exactly academic writing. This is writing for a different purpose, okay? This is probably a magazine article, and it has complete sentences. Hopefully there's good grammar and good punctuation, but it's not academic writing. What about this? Yes, absolutely, of course. This is academic writing. This looks like a doctoral thesis, so very advanced academic writing. And you'll notice not only do they have good sentence structure, they also have footnotes down here, and it is especially formatted for academic writing, okay, for college purposes or for university purposes. What about this? Yes, this is academic writing. This is a rough draft, and it has some editing marks, so this is academic writing. Specifically for our class, this is a rough draft with editing marks, and we are going to create some rough drafts like this. You'll write your rough draft, you'll have some mistakes, and then you'll correct those mistakes, just like we see with the red and blue markings here. Okay, how about this? Is this academic writing? No, of course not. This is poetry. This is a Thanksgiving poem. This is writing for a little bit of a different purpose than for academic purposes. Look at these two examples. Are these academic writing? Nope, they're not. On the left, you'll see a grocery list. This is writing, but it's a very, very specific purpose to make a list and go shopping. On the right, you'll see a love letter. Again, not for academic purposes. So here's our definition. Academic writing is formal writing for a college class. And you'll see in one of our former textbooks called First Steps in Academic Writing, this is where the definition comes from. Take a special note that academic writing follows a particular format, and for academic writing, students should pay close attention to sentence structure, organization, grammar, and punctuation. So all of those things are important when you get to the college class. We're going to review this in a separate video, but the format for an academic paper, you need to think about the actual type of paper, the size of paper. You want to write in ink for the final draft. You'll want a heading, and we'll talk about that in the next video. The title should be in the middle, and we'll talk about how to write good titles. They should not be long sentences. They might just be 1 or 2 or 3 words. Then there should be in the body of the paragraph. In our class, we use double space. We'll talk about indenting and the margins as well. Okay, so here's an example of a good academically formatted paper. And like I said, in the next video, we'll see this more as well. All right, I'll see you in class.